We are live. What's going on, family? What's popping?
Won't you give me the rundown? Let me know how to love now. Let me know how to trust you. Show me nothing
We
else
got a
but
late
you.
night
Won't you come
crypto
back to
live
my
going
crib?
on.
Write a chapter in my script.
Might even take some
Tell
calls
a
tonight.
secret on my lips. Find out just how I like it. Yeah, yeah.
Let me let everybody know
When
we
do you
live.
think we can link? Why don't you ring my phone? I don't need a quick fling. I need the real thing. If you ain't, leave me alone. No, I ain't gonna front you with my good luck. I've been waiting on it days and weeks. You were turning into my baby B. Like, have you ever thought about dating me? Basically, I'm trying to woo you, girl. How you waking up thinking who you, girl? Bourbon Street, you a voodoo girl. Hide and seek, I don't wanna lose you, girl. 9 in the clip, 5 in the seat, 1 in the head. If they think they're gonna shoot you, girl. Only bullets gonna come from Cupid, girl. And you can ask them niggas if they stupid, girl. Give me the rundown. Let me know how to love
What's
now.
going on?
Let me know how to trust you. Show me nothing else but you. Won't you come back to my crib? Write a chapter in my script. Tell a secret on my lips. Find out just how I like it. Yeah, yeah. Won't you give me the rundown? Let me know how to love now. Let me know how to trust you. Show me nothing else but you. Won't you come back to my crib? Write a chapter in my script. Tell a secret on my lips. Find out just how I like it. Yeah, yeah. Girl, you know I rock the boat, baby. Bills paid, I'm responsible, baby. Cure you if you got to go, baby. Lay down in my hospital, baby. I'm good as you ought to know. I'm unstoppable, they don't got to know, baby. We'll be somewhere tropical, baby. Playing so diabolical, baby. Oh, fatty on the island, fist full of diamonds. Never met a nigga this solid. When I woke up, I chose violence. Never lacking, baby, I got it. Fuck being modest. They only want a wife that cook. They only want a wife that clean. I only want a wife like you. A thick brown skin, real me. That only give it up for me. Won't so give please. Me the rundown. Let me know how to love now. Let me know how to trust you. Show me nothing else but you. Won't you come back to my crib? Write a chapter in my script. Tell a secret on my lips. Find out just how I like it. Yeah, yeah. Won't you give me the
Hit that
rundown?
like button, that good old subscribe button.
Let me know how to trust you. Show me nothing else but you. Won't you come back to my crib? Write a chapter in my script. Tell a secret on my lips. Find out just how I like it. Yeah, yeah.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy Lando Success. I am your host tonight. Once you come into the room, you got to make sure you hit that like button. That subscribe button. The goal is always to keep our likes and I don't like how the camera is. We'll see how it go. Keep the likes at 50%. That's the goal. I hate when the camera is at a gangster-lean and I see it late. Let me know if the camera look like it's on a gangster-lean if I need to switch it up. So the first thing we need to talk about is Snapchat. Nobody gives a damn about Snapchat.
Oh my God.
Took my job.
I don't like how Snapchat right now is technically moving the market. The stock market has been doing great growth. And then Snapchat did bad earnings report and everything completely going down and everybody is panicking. Let's look at this, dog. So this is after hours, right? So Snapchat was at $16 already doing crappy and stuff. And boom, after hours, that's like 25% down to $12. It's like, geez, that is a nasty one. So we're about to skim through a little bit of their investor letter that they released. So let's go ahead and check some of it out. It says, the second quarter of 2022 proved more challenging than we expected. Revenue grew 13% year over year to 1.1 billion, which resulted in adjusted EBITDA of $7 million and free cash flow of negative $147 million. Jeez, No bueno. Daily active users grew to 347 million, an increase of 54 million, 18% year over year. So they're doing year over year to make it sound a little bit better instead of just saying from quarter to quarter. We also observe a number of encouraging engagement trends across our platform, including growth in overall content engagement. While the continued growth in our community increases the long-term opportunity for our business, our financial results for Q2 do not reflect the scale of our ambition. So they saying we are ambition, we going to grow, but our numbers look terrible. We're not satisfied with the results we are delivering, regardless of the current headwinds. Skim through this. Platform policy changes has upended more than a decade of advertising industry. To return to a higher rate of long-term revenue growth, we are focusing on 3 priorities. First, we will continue to invest in our products and platforms to sustain the growth of our community. Second, we will invest heavily in our direct response advertising business to deliver measurable returns on advertisement and spending. Lastly, we will cultivate new sources of revenue that will help diversify our top growth line to build more resilient business. We also intend to recalibrate our investment levels to build a path of free cash flow, break even or even better, even with reduced rates of revenue growth. We'll continue to invest in long-term perspective, especially in areas that are critical to realizing the long-term opportunity. We will also implement a stock repurchase program designed to offset the impact of dilution from our stock-based compensation program to protect the long-term value of our business for our investors. Man, and you can read all this on their website. And they actually did a little cute what you call those things, like a PowerPoint. So if you look at it after hours of different companies, you look at like, all right, Meta. You got Facebook. Facebook is big time. Facebook is trading at about $182, right? Then bam, you see Facebook go down all the way after hours to 172. It's like, geez. So I had to look at Tesla, and I see Tesla after hours didn't affect it at all. So this is my problem, right? This is my problem with Snapchat and people in the industry. Nobody gives a damn about Snapchat. Like literally, when Tesla earnings come out, everybody pauses, everybody stop what they're doing to make sure everything is good with Tesla. If Tesla go down, the whole market going to go down. When Apple go down, the whole market go down. When it go up, everybody go up. When Snapchat releases results, why the hell is Snapchat moving the damn market? And the same, it did last quarter. It did the exact same thing, and it just finessed everybody. It just literally moved bad in after hours, started the day terrible, and the day ended up finishing green. Like they just woke up like, oh, it's just Snapchat. We don't care about this. So I would love to hear y'all opinion. Why do y'all think Snapchat fake moved the market a little bit? Because nobody ain't really checking for them like that. That's just my opinion. I could be wrong. But out of all the companies there is, nobody really considering looking for them. What's going on, everybody that's in here? Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I consider buying a dip on Facebook. Is that a good idea? It depends on how long you plan on holding it. Facebook is a good long-term hold because Meta is going to keep increasing, especially with their moves with the metaverse. The problem is you have so many other options and other companies to probably invest in long-term. Like I will always pick Apple over Facebook in my opinion, because let's see, if we look at their 52-week high, close to $400, that's $384. 52-week low is $154. We are closer to that low since everything has been down that's a big, a big drop from 300 to, 200. That's $100 drop right there. And you'll literally have to go back and see the last time Facebook was 170 was in 2020, like literally in 2 years. So they could have been overvalued or not, but I see them literally trading sideways for a little bit before they go back to its all-time highs. And you look at Apple, look how different that map look in the last 5 years. This Meta, this Apple. I would just invest that money in Apple personally. That's just my personal thing. And we're going to talk about some cryptocurrency. Shout out to everybody that's in here. Hope y'all are enjoying your day. Got a little drink? We got some Sam's, Adams. I think this is seasonal, like a summer seasonal. Having a drink, just kicking it. So let's look at cryptocurrency. Crypto been very interesting because we are finally on a good bull run. And people always wondering, is it real? Is it fake? But right now it is very, very real. Refresh it so we can get real numbers. Look at that. It went from 1 point something to 2.79, almost 3%. And you see Bitcoin is down in the last hour, barely close to even in the last day, up 12% in the last week. Now it is very on that verge of 23,000. Why Bitcoin won't let me be great. There we go. For security reasons. That's what it was. Security reasons. There's rejecting a player. So if we look at Bitcoin, go back 1 month. You've seen small run, big drop. Small run, big drop. Oh, my sister watching me. Go on, sister. Shout out to my sister. Gizzo in the building. Thank you. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Or when I get rich, I will not give you any money. All right, so then you notice this is like, all right, go up, go down, go up, go down, go up, because it went past this level, because this was really like the level it was doing. It went past it. Now, are we going to have a new level of go up, go down, really stand right about 24,000? That's going to be interesting. That's going to be the thing to see. The next level you want to see Bitcoin test at is at 30,000. This level. Anything in between there is irrelevant if you ask me. Let's see who else is popping. Ethereum is going hard, up 5% in the last day. Ethereum almost back up to its highs, man, because I believe the high was 1630. Let's see, did I get it right? 16. Come on, let's see, get it right. 1605. Nope, I got it at 1605. I think it's somewhere a different exchange, probably close to 1630. But it's not far from that, man. That's good. And you got BNB up 12%. So if BNB up 12% in the last week, I need Crow to be up 12% or higher. Where is Crow at? All right, or higher. Bam, 13%. So we are doing good. You got Cardano. I need Cardano to be in the 30s. Cardano literally need to be a little bit higher. They're averaging out with Solana. So that's not bad. They're kind of doing the same. But I need Cardano to be doing a little bit better, getting ready for their hard fork. DOT is a good one because DOT is on crypto.com. They have it where you can get like 15% staking for a month. So you got to think, if you just invested in DOT in the last month, you're technically up. If you did it last week, you're up. Plus getting that staking reward. I will honestly take advantage of that. And one of our favorites, Matic. Matic is on the verge of trying to get past $1. That's going to be the funny thing. Will Matic hit over $1? The highest it hit was 97 cents in TG. So you have to learn how to invest. Like this is, so for all my new people that's in here, This how you really have to do it. Let me see. So this is really how you have to do it when you come down to like swing trading or something. What happens is we will have a monumental type of number. So we will say with Matic, everybody was waiting for it to hit $1. When you want certain coins to hit 1 cent, 10 cent, $100, whatever it is, right now we look for Matic to hit $1, and you have to think like what everybody else is doing. Everybody else is thinking, okay, once it hit $1, I'm going to sell some. So your goal is to think different than them. Since they are thinking that way, the cryptocurrency market knows everybody is thinking that way, so it's going to try not to do what you want it to do. For example, everybody wanted Matic to hit $1. It hit 97 cents. So your job is to be thinking, this shit not going to hit $1, but it's going to get close to it. So when it get close about 94 cents, that is when you sell. So literally, boom, soon as it hit 94 and it went up to 97, you sold, it go back down to 85, 80 cents. You can buy back and you can do it again. Because once it get past that $1, it's going to shoot past and go to like 120 and people are going to miss out. So you have to be willing to take that chance. But 8 times out of 10 is going to work that way. Remember, everybody wanted Dogecoin to hit like $1 and it hit like 90 something cents and it crashed down. We got 62.7, 6.2. What up, dog? What's going on? Everything is good here. I kind of went all in on Matic when it was 78 cents. Would you play long or short with it? 100% with Matic, I will play long. Well, actually, you could play both. You can honestly play both. So say, for example, right? We got $100 and say at 50 cents, right? You had $100 and you took $50. You bought in at 50 cents. You're leaving this in here for at least a year. So you don't care about that $50. The other $50 that you invested, you like, soon as this shit doubles or get close to it, I'm selling. So that's that 50 cents you got in, and we sold at 94 cents because we wanted to sell at $1, but we sold at 94 cents and you damn near just basically doubled your money. Let's say you doubled it. So now you at the 50 you had that you're keeping in there, and that grew. You had the other 50 you put in there, that grew, then you sold some profits. So now when it go back down, you can be like, all right, now we about to do the same thing at 50 cents. Then we can do the same thing at 55 cents, at 70 cents. That's the way I would do it with a bearish market, because right now it's hard to make money in cryptocurrency when we're in a recession, because most of shit is just going to trade like this. Then you're going to get crazy spikes, crazy drops. So it's real hard to make money. You have to kind of learn how to be a swing trader. Let's see. I got my profits of 500. Should I get more Crow or Solana? $400 worth of Solana, and I would do $100 worth of Crow. Because the thing is, Crow, you're going to get that money slow and steady. And I did a video earlier talking about Crow, because when people see a quick spike like this, right? Let's go to Coinbase. When people see a spike, because we've been just getting our asses handed to us, and we see excitement, people are waiting for that next opportunity, because 80% of people misses out. Because when crypto is going down like this, right? Let's say you bought in at 4,800. You bought one Ethereum. You pissed off. It go down to 4,000. You like, man, they said buy the dip. Boom, I bought the dip. And that shit kept on dipping. You bought in at 3,000. You like, man, I know it's about to go back up to 4,000. This is crazy. And that shit said, boom. You like, bro, all right, man, if it go down to 2,000, I'm going to buy it. I'm going to put everything in, all right? And it go to 2,000 and you put everything in right here. So what happens is most people stop around here because they just like, I done lost all this money. I'm kind of want to be on some chill shit. So this is the area where most of the money is being made, because once it went down 1,000, let's say you completely bought in and you got this quick spike when it went up to 1,600. That $600 you could have swung. But what happens is when people see, okay, boom, in the last week, 5%, last week, 31%, the last month, 44%. So you had a chance to get in at $1,000. Remember I told y'all those certain type of numbers? It's always a monumental type of number. People like, man, when this shit hit $1,000, it's going to tease you with it and shoot right back up. It's just, that's how cryptocurrency works. Once you understand that, you can make a whole lot of money. And if you're not in a Patreon, you can learn how. Just sign up in the bio or ping to the top of the comments, player. Now, so what happens is when you just seen, you gotta think this was less than a month ago, a few weeks ago, we just seen the shit at $1,900 When you see it go up like this, people like, shit, why the hell didn't I buy this at 1,000? Why didn't I get in at 1,000? Everybody mad. Why didn't I get in at $1,000, yo? So now the average person mind is, they are thinking, when the next time this go back down, I'm about to buy in and get more. That help out exchanges like Crow, because now Crow can operate on a whole different level compared to everybody else, because now even if the market is going down, people are smiling, they're happy because they like, yo, we just seen Ethereum go back up 1,600. Let this shit go back to 1,000 again. So it's kind of harder. So the new level will be like 1,200 because people will be buying in, and that really help out exchanges like Crow. So if you're bullish on the whole market going up, yes, I would say completely just with Crow, you just invest in very, very small, $5, $10, $15, whatever it is, small money at a time. And it's going to pay out long term. I always tell people Crow is a 20-year bet because we're betting on crypto in the long term. So in the middle, you're going to have all type of companies that do great, that's going to fall. You're going to have companies that go bankrupt. But in the long term, we shall be good. Malachi in the building. I got my nephew in here.
Oh my God. They took my job.
My nephew, here you go. You know them kids like to cuss.
I'm rich, bitch!
What's going on, nephew? I got my nephew in the building. Say what up to Malachi, y'all. I have 12,000 Crow and 29 Solana already. Good shit. Keep on building. Get some more options on here. Can't dollar cost average because I spend all my money on the trees, baby. Well, you need to stop smoking the trees, and you need to take that money, turn it into staking. You got to put it high into a good staking asset. Like right now, if you had it in DOT when you was making like 16% passive income, you can take that passive income and let your crypto pay for your weed. But you can't let your weed pay for your crypto. So you just really need to get a passive income crypto deal going on to pay for your weed. Then you can smoke as much as you want. But till you can do that, shouldn't be smoking too much. But, nothing wrong with that. You see Thorchain Rune on fire. I got to check it out, what Thorchain is doing. Let's see. Shout out to everybody that's new in here. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. And if you guys are not signing up, 14%. Let's go, Thorchain. Doing his thing. Look at that volume. The volume is up big. 274 million. Okay, player. You're doing a little bit of something. Yeah, that's some good volume right there. Market cap almost $1 billion. That's looking good. Looking good, looking great. Look at the last month. 66%, man. Whew. That's a big game changer. Thank you for whoever just did that good old like for a player. So, what I was looking at Polygon for. I don't know. Let's see what's going on crypto news. All Ethereum killers will fail. You're a hater. Dogecoin retract. Anybody still investing in some meme coins? Any Doge or Shiba people in here? Let's see. It says SEC should regulate crypto lending companies. Did you guys see? Did y'all hear about Coinbase? And they had insider trading. I talked about it earlier today on a video. Let me know if y'all seen that. So basically, what happened was Coinbase had an employee. Say the employee is John. John asked, I actually know his name. It's Indian guy. So John asked, he was the manager and his job was to oversee and publish new coins when they're coming on. So let's say the 6.2 coin is coming out on Friday. What John dumbass did was let his brother know and his friend know that the coin was coming out. So he literally like, yo, hey, go ahead, throw some money in this coin before we list it on Coinbase. And once we list it, it's going to go up. You're going to sell. We're going to make some money. They did that and made over $1 million. But you got to realize in cryptocurrency, majority of real crypto heads are nerds, like real life nerds that do this shit. Like for me, I'm a money nerd. I can nerd out and know some numbers, but I just want to know about the money. Let me make money right here. Let me sell. Keep the basic stuff. Them real nerds is like, hey, I looked at this wallet address on so-and-so and they bought 20,000 worth of so-and-so before it got listed. Then they matched the dots. They like, yo, this wallet bought too much of these coins before it got listed. Then before this one got listed, they bought too much of that. So they literally sent all the information over to Coinbase. So they snitched on them. Shit, I snitched on them too inside of trading. I don't respect that hustle. So the employee got fired. The brother just got arrested and the friend. So it was 3 of them. So all of them look like they about to do some serious jail time. And what they did was they listed those 9 coins as a SEC security. So I got the 9 coins. The only one I'm really hip to is XYO because I did a video on that. I believe that is like the geotag coin when you are doing deliveries and it geotag or something. But that's interesting, dog. Interesting. Big dummies, man. Big dummies. I got in at 188. Let's go get that money, dog. Don't know how they found out. Yeah, they found out because people gonna snitch on you. People is gonna snitch on your ass when you doing insider trading like that. And the thing is, all he had to do is just not, like him and his brother have the same last name. All you have to do is not tell your brother to do it and get your cousin, baby daddy, sister, auntie to do it. Like you made it like, dummy, made it, then you did it on addresses that's traceable. Like, oh, Lord. Nope, might get Dogecoin Mars one day just because the ticker is Elon. I actually have some Dogecoin Mars, to be honest. I actually like them. It's quick. Swing trade, but I bought and hold it, so I ain't even looked at it. I don't even know what the price is at. Oh, we got a troll in here. We have a troll. Y'all want to find a good time, not a long time. One of my admins, please get the troll up out of here. Give them the good old, what is it? The Fresh Prince. Let me see the Fresh. Jazzy Jazz. Jazzy Jeff. Throw. Hey, go ahead, do this to y'all cousin, man. Get y'all cousin up out of here. Up here acting up. Get Buddy up out of here, y'all. Go ahead, throw him up out of here. One of the admins, man. Go ahead, get a player up out of here.
Oh no!
Sorry, Naked. You here for a good time, not a long time. Let me make sure you out of here. We not trolling today. We talking about money. We can't be dealing with the shenanigans and the bullshit. No, we can't do that. Put user in timeout. No, I want to get your ass up out of here. I don't want to unwanted spam content. Yeah. There you go. Mess up my community guidelines. All right, what we're talking about? Talking about money. Let's keep on going. Ethereum prints modest losses. Consolidation before the next big breakout. OpenSea's debut. Solana NFT launchpad. Anybody still been buying any NFTs? I own a bunch of more, a few on crypto.com, but I haven't been buying any. We got to check and see what's the base and floor price of Ape and stuff. Let's see. Here's what's next for Solana, Avalanche, and one hot Ethereum rival. Who's the one hot Ethereum rival? All of the Ethereum base coins are the ones that's literally taking off during this time because Ethereum led the rally. So it's great to see that. Although the price is still good opportunity. Solana, dApps, ApeCoin. I ain't talking about nothing, probably promoting something. But I do want to go to dApps, dApp Radar. That radar, NFTs. So let's see what NFTs are doing. Top sales, Bored Ape Yacht Club. Price is going around 178,000. Okay, you can get one. Low as 152. Somebody just basically bought one. And all sales are up because everything did go down for a hot second, man. Other side, their volume is up, so that's why you got the Ape coin is completely going up. Moonbirds is getting destroyed. Jeez, that's all bad. I don't know if they gonna make it. I own some NBA Top Shot NFTs, so I finally listed some for sale. Had those listed there for a while. Everybody that's new in here, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. But while we're here, I might as well pay some bills. And we could pay some bills a few ways. We have my player, Moomoo. Right now, you guys can get 6 free stocks. You can get them to the end of this month. The promotion ends July 31st. All you have to do is click the link in the bio or ping to the top of the comments. Literally sign up and deposit $1, single $1, and you're going to get up to 6 free stocks. Well, you're going to get 6 free stocks, and all of them are valued up to $2,500. Let me know which ones you end up getting, and you can get up to 10 free stocks if you deposit $2,000. You just got to keep your money deposited in there for like 30 days because people was running up the plug and just depositing $1, getting free stocks and canceling out. The hood always want to mess some shit up. The hood always mess up a good thing. My connect was like, yeah, Orlando, they changed it where you gotta keep the money in there for 30 days. I said, well, everybody was doing some hood shit. Excuse me? Was everybody withdrawing their money? Oh yeah, that's exactly what they was doing.
Oh no!
And we have to give a shout out to Webull. Webull is actually doing the same thing, giving you 6 free stocks. But we now have crypto wallets available. So I did a video where you can actually buy crypto on Webull. You can send and receive crypto. Where they doing the beta part, I did a video because I'm in the program where they actually can show people the beta. I don't think I got one for them. But yeah, same thing. Get signed up. If you're new in here, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, get that stuff up. Your thoughts on Stronger Block? Only 10 million supply. I never heard of Stronger Block. We have to check them out. I love Cardano NFTs. Which Cardano NFTs? I never purchased any. I seen Cardano teamed up with Snoop. Do you have like one of those Snoop Cardano NFTs? break. Let me know which ones you get. Matt, what's going on, player? Hope all is well. How you doing, baby? Hope all is well, man. Appreciate you for being in here. You have any NFTs on any other blockchains? Nope, I only got NFTs on crypto.com. I got some on NBA Top Shop. I have somebody sent me a free one from something. And I probably do own some, because the way I do NFTs, I invest in an NFT and I literally don't look at it for a year. I will go back a year later. Let's check this price. Let's see if the price went up. Then I can decide if I want to sell or just keep it. So I don't really sell NFTs too much unless the profit or the price went up high. I just literally buy them, hold them, and hope the price completely go up. You do that with enough NFTs, you buy 100 of them. All you need is about 3 of them boys to pop off, and you'll be rich for life, for real, dog. You'll really be making some good money. And buffers against bear market. These are the 9 tokens I was talking about. SEC lists the 9 tokens as securities. You got Power Ledger, Chromatica, DFX Finance, AMP. I heard of AMP. Rally, heard of Rally. None of these. Only ones I really heard of is XYO. Yep. Buddies ran the plug up and made the block hot with that one. Retailers are buying Bitcoin at the fastest rate in history. Which retailers? In a tweet shared on July 20th, an analyst noticed that at the current rate of retail Bitcoin acquisitions were in the early blah, blah, blah. Will retailers sell after the U.S. Fed rate? Even so, this is a dumb article. I don't even need to read it because I don't know who even wrote that. That's dumb. Crypto winner winding down FTX turning profit as it served as lender of last resort. Yeah, everybody is up right now because shit, crypto is up. Coinbase deal slumps 34%. Yeah, what is Coinbase stock after all the drama? Yep, it's down today, but it's still up in the last week, up in the last month. So, you know, it's not doing bad. Anybody in here invested in and Coinbase? What Tesla big Bitcoin sale means for other firms putting crypto on their balance sheet. What's y'all thoughts about Elon Musk selling 75% of his Bitcoin? Sold a lot of it. I have like 40 NFTs, blockchain, 5 on OpenSea. I don't think I bought any on OpenSea yet. I think I probably did like a sample video like a year or so ago and did something. So for those that's not hip, if you've been under a rock the last day, Tesla did their earnings report yesterday after hours. And in their balance sheet, they basically sold. They said they sold 75% of their Bitcoin. It's like 900 million, close to $1 billion worth of it. They really did it. And my alleged assumption is they did it to post a positive earnings, because if they didn't do that and sell their Bitcoin and turn to fiat cash, they would have had red earnings and would have been bad for Tesla. Elon Musk's response was, really, I just sold it basically because we needed the money. He ain't said exactly like that, but mainly like, we need the money. I just don't like how he kind of shitted on cryptocurrency. Like, it's just a sideshow of the sideshow. It's, it's just nothing. I still hold my Doge and, all that type of stuff. And my thing is, Elon, as a businessman, if you didn't do it just for the reasons I said, why would you sell so far at a loss? You sold at the lowest damn level. Right after you sold, everything probably went up. That's not a smart move if you ask me. Like, dog, you don't sell at no loss like that. I'm assuming I think you had a lot of Bitcoin. If you sold 900 million something worth, you had to wait another week, dog. But, he figured he was going to lose that much money in Tesla shares if he didn't do it. So, gotta do it. But thing is, he still got 25% of Bitcoin, and that's probably like 190 million. So it's more than all of us we have. So he still got some. So he believe in it. For starters, Musk has not entirely abandoned Tesla's Bitcoin position and said on a conference call he remains open to adding the company Bitcoin holding again in the future. He gonna buy in at the high again. This should not be taken as some verdict on Bitcoin. Electric vehicle makers first bought 1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin in January. So when a crypto was selling around 32 to 33,000, later sold about 10% of the hold in the first quarter. So if he bought, let's say at 32 and he sold at 22, so he lost $10,000 per coin. And not good, so he ended up losing about 600 million. If he bought 1.5 billion worth and he sold at 900 million, he lost 600 million in Bitcoin when he sold. Now, it's still, no matter if he would have sold anytime recent, everything is down, so he wouldn't have technically made any money, but I prefer to sell at 300 million versus 600 million. We converted a majority of our Bitcoin holdings into fiat for realized gains, offset by impairment charges. It make perfect sense that the corporate treasuries faced with decreasing profitability and a possible layoffs will sell liquid assets, including cryptocurrency. So I just said, hey, it be like that sometimes. XRP, Spanish cryptocurrency, want to absorb together. Ether price stalled. I told y'all 1630. I knew I didn't get 1630 from nowhere. See, it was at 1630, man. I'm good. I know my crypto, my Ether. Ether. That shit that burns slow. Y'all don't know nothing about no Nas. Who had the better diss? Nas or Jay-Z? Which one? ApeCoin. Yep. ApeCoin is completely going ape right now. I just did a video covering ApeCoin. The great thing about them right now, let's look at the price, is their volume. The volume with ApeCoin is completely insane. And the percentage of people buying ApeCoin, it's at 89% of people that own ApeCoin on a Coinbase are actively buying it, which is crazy. That's a crazy high percentage of people buying your shit. Come on, dog. I want to let a player be great. So earlier it was at $7 when I did the video. So it's going on a downtrend. So it's right about there. So it was at $7 on crypto.com. But now you got a good downtrend going. But look at that. 17% in the last day, 43% in the last week, 63% in the last month. And look at this. 89% of people is actively buying this. That's insane. The volume is over 500 million. Yeah, ApeCoin, you can hate them or like them, love them, whatever it is, but they making some damn money for sure. For sure. Yeah, Nas definitely got that one, because the thing is, Jay-Z did his thing going it. It was an amazing diss. But Nas, he went for the throw. He went for the kill. That was able to take Nas to that next level for going at Jay-Z on that one. You love my style. He said, you made it a hot beat. I made it a hot song. Cardano price. ADA swiftly retracts 12%. Yeah, ADA needs to get they shit popping. Coinbase criticized SEC. So for the people that just came in earlier, we talked about the stock market. Well, we had Snapchat. Snapchat pisses me off because their earnings report came out and there's some shit. And it went, down about 20%. 24, look like 23% right here. Terrible. And we just went through this recently. It just had a bad fall, right there. Up 75, bam, right there. Then it's just been going down bad. But I'm pissed off that it's literally making the rest of the big boys go down. Like, look at Apple stock. Okay, after hours. Okay, after hours it calmed down. So Apple's not doing bad. Apple not reacting bad to it. Let's look at Meta. Meta, why are you reacting like this? Like, oh no, is Snapchat going down? Oh no, what are we going to do? Nobody cares about Snapchat stock. So yeah, we read a little bit of their earnings. The CEO basically said, we are better than this. And he gave numbers year over year instead of each quarter to make the numbers look a little bit better. But, you got to do what you got to do for the good old finesse. Bitcoin holders will soon see why 21.6 BTC pump price is fake. What? Suspicious over weekend. Oh, this late. Oh, this is some late stuff. See, that's why I don't read they stuff. I only like the up-to-date stuff. That's why I use other player. Hold on. Gotta plug in the MacBook. If not, we shall all be SOL. Let's see what else that radar got popping for us. Top depths. Alien World. Never heard of no Alien World. But got 58 million volume. Pancake swap. Axie Infinity is down. I gotta see what's Axie price. DeFi definitely gotta be down. Nobody been doing too much in DeFi. Yep, all DeFi is red. So you got Oasis app. Anybody ever try Oasis app with Maker? I haven't tried that. Outside of everything on Chronos, I haven't been on DeFi or messing with DeFi at all lately. Haven't did anything on good old DeFi. Ain't giving me nothing. I will have to look on there. When I was doing the M-Share and all that stuff, it was telling me something. The potatoes. They must be new because those numbers are even. Yeah, it's a new project. I had to look them up, but I don't mess with any new projects. You have to be established and been around for a year to do it. So it looked like they might have it already 16 hours ago. So you can get one close to 100,000 probably. Fractional NFTs. So they've been talking about they're going to come out with a fractional NFT system. I guess they have it, but not on any big name exchanges yet. So yeah, I will wait till some of the big names get it. Yep. What's going on? Jimmy in the building. What's going on, Jimmy? How you doing, player? We got Jimmy in the building. Drop an exclusive bomb. Hope all is well. So yeah, man, we're looking at the whole crypto market, stock market. Everything is Interesting, man. We not doing bad. Not doing bad at all. Up. We got Bitcoin just went under 23,000. So we back in the 22s. Ethereum still holding strong. Cardano under 50 cents. Solana been doing great. Let's see. Dogecoin, all of them. Matic at 28. Avalanche. So those Ethereum-based companies been going completely hard. Litecoin, FTX. So all the exchanges is around 12 and 13%, it looks like. Stellar, Algorand haven't been going as hard as I need them. But look at this, ApeCoin, 43%. They leading the pack, letting everybody know, like, yo, we can get this shit popping. But that's mainly with the other side. Other side just was such a big success. When they released it, everybody just had to flock to that. Thorchain up 31% last week. Phantom. Anybody here ever invested in Phantom? I never invested in them once. I looked at them a few times, but never end up putting any real money with them. Thanks for that like, whoever just did it. A player appreciated. Now, I've been seeing this been going up. What the hell is Lido DAO? Like, what the hell is this? Is this something new? Yeah, it's been out since January 2021. But the crazy thing is this looks amazing. Like, for this to be out January 2021, this looks very good. Usually I expect it to do this, go down right here and just flatline. Just off of looking at this, this is a very good chart. So let's first see, what does they do? I would like to buy. What is Lido? Lido is a liquid staking solution for Ethereum. Lido let users stake their Ethereum with no minimum deposits or maintaining of infrastructure. To participate. Okay. Lido. So, what percentage are you getting with your Ethereum? And how secure is your network? Because if everything go to hell, will y'all go to hell? How much money do y'all have? I'll have a lot of questions because I'll just compare you to Coinbase. So let's check them out. Where's their website? Where'd y'all supposed to have y'all website at the bottom? Y'all slipping. Let's see. Liquidity for staked assets. Stake now. So total staking assets. Oh shit. They got 6.7 billion stake over here. Oh my gosh. Total rewards is 171 million. I would need that to be higher. With that, you got 145,000 stakers. So the average, I ain't about to try to do that math. Too late for that. Supported network. You got Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum, you getting 3.9 APY. Okay, you got Solana. You getting 5.5. This must be their active something because that's a high percentage. So I'm assuming yield daily stake rewards. Yeah. Polygon is at 8.7. Shit. Polkadot 16.5. Up Terra Classic. This is wild, y'all. This is good. This is real good. My problem is we just got burnt with too many other companies. With the staking, I would be safe. I would do the safe route because there's no point of getting your money, stuck somewhere. Let me see. So if I believe Ethereum, what is their percentage over on Coinbase? Can I see it from the website? Let me check on my phone because I don't think it show you the stake percentage on the website. If it do, let me know on the website where I can find what's the percentage. Because on my phone, once I literally just click Ethereum up, that's not Ethereum. Go back. Once I click Ethereum, I believe it's just going to tell me the percentage. Primary balance. Okay, it is 3.25. So 3.25 over on here where you have more safe, and you have 3.9. So, okay, not too bad. Solana, let's see, Cardano's 2.60. Solana is at 4% APY over here. So, you know, it's a little bit higher. So it makes sense for everything to be higher over here. But I will have to see more about that company. Let me know y'all thoughts in the comments, because that's interesting. But I don't see how much money do they get. IDO. LDO. How much money do they get? Now, I will probably invest in the token itself, because if people want to go over here with their money, that's what I would probably do. Instead of me staking my money over there, I would probably just invest in the token. So let's look at this, because their price look amazing. So you got it under $2 right now, and you up 77% in the last week. Jesus. 200% in the last month. Come on, dog. That's wild. That's opportunity. So the market cap is close to $500 million. The volume is only at 66 million. Need to get that over 100. Coin circulation 300 million. That's beautiful. That's good. I like it. All-time high $18. So it's like down 90% right now. When the hell? But my thing is, when did it go to $18? I don't get that. When was it $18? Like they did a damn stock split or something. Somebody let me know, how was that? Is it saying $18 all-time high? Because I don't get that one right there. What's going on, everybody? Just came in here. It's on 2.5 billion total supply on Phantom Network with a high volume. It could easily get to $1 only. Yeah, man, that's interesting. So if you guys have any more questions, speak now or forever hold your peace. And I'm going to clip some of this up, probably release some videos on here.
Won't you give me the rundown?
And we gonna talk some stocks tomorrow.
Let me know.
Keep everything popping.
Show me nothing else but
keep everything going.
Won't you come back to my crib? Write a chapter in my script. Tell a secret on my lips. Find out just how I like it. Yeah. When do you think we could link? Why don't
shout
you
out to my boy Nomadic. He needs to release this song. Tell Nomadic, go on his Instagram and tell that mother lover to release this song.
Turning into my baby. Like, have you ever thought about dating me? Basically, I'm trying to woo you.
I get all the exclusive stuff early, but y'all can't get it yet because he ain't released it.
I don't wanna lose you, girl. 9 in the clip, 5 in the seat, 1 in the head. If they think they're gonna shoot you, girl. Only bullets gonna
thoughts
come from
on
you, girl.
VVS. That's a good one. I can make another video with it. All right. This how I'm about to show you how I make a video. I'm gonna clip this up and use this as a video. Let me set it up. VVS.
Find out just how I like it.
Let me set it up.
Let me know how to love now. Let me know how to trust you. Show me nothing else but you. Won't you come back to my crib? Write a chapter in my script. Tell a secret on my lips. Find out just how I like it. Yeah. Girl, you know I rock the boat, baby. Bills paid, I'm responsible, baby. Cure you if you got to go, baby. Lay down in my hospital, baby. I'm good as you ought to know. I'm unstoppable, they don't don't got to know, baby. We'll be somewhere tropical, baby. Playing so diabolical, baby. Oh, fatty on the island, fist full of diamonds. Never met a nigga this solid. When I woke up, I chose violence. Never lacking, baby, I got it. Fuck being modest. They only want a wife that cook. They only want a wife that clean. I only want a wife like you. Thick brown skin, real me. That only give it up for me. So please run down. Let me know how to love now. Let me know how to trust you. Show me nothing else but you. Won't you come back to my crib? Write a chapter in my script. Tell a secret on my lips. Find out just how I like it. Yeah, yeah. Won't you get me to run down? Let me know how to love now.
All right, we about to talk about VBS.
Trust you. Show me nothing.
What's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy Lando Success. Whenever you come to my page, the goal is for you to leave knowing something that you didn't know before you came here. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Somebody asked for me to check out VBS. What's my thoughts? We got Matthew. He said check it out for a player. If you have a channel, go ahead and check that player out. So first we need to check out the price. Right now we are at a zillion zeros in 684. And it's down in the last hour, but in the last day, it's up 3%. I hate when you get one of these spikes that go down like this, because that's usually a sign that it's going to go back down to that area just on like a low dip. So that's going to be interesting to watch for within the next day. And in the last, it's crazy lightning outside. Jeez. So in the last week, we are up 4%. In the last month, we're up over 20%. Ain't bad. Ain't doing bad at all. The last year, down 93%. That's not good, people. If you look at this chart, that's dead. That's dead. Like literally.
Oh, no.
What you say?
Oh my God. They took my job.
You don't got no job right here. If you look at this, this is disgusting. It's bad. So you have to look at the market cap at 193 million, which is not bad. And the volume at least is up, but this volume is low. 1.2 million is not good, because you always have to compare VBS with Spale or Tectonic, and I believe, hold on one second, and I believe they are in the middle. Spale probably have the highest volume versus this circulation. Let's see. Go up. Up, somebody's at the door. Hold on one second. Hold on. Don't leave. Hold on.
Won't you get me to run down? Let me know how to love now. Let me know how to trust you. Show me nothing else but you. Won't you come back to my crib? Write a chapter in my script. Tell a secret on my lips. Find out just how I like it. Yeah, yeah. When do you think we could link? Why don't you ring?
All right. Sorry, that was my God, brother. Leaving some stuff over real quick. All right. So, sorry, I'm out of breath now. But you want to go to their website and you want to see how much money people have in this project. And I'm looking at basically to see how much they have stake. You see over 100 million right here. 100 million right here. To that, you're going to see USD, you're going to see 300 million. So I will round it up and say $500 million they have money still locked over in there. Then you really want to go to the social media and seeing is people being active or talking about it. So you see over 92,000 followers, close to 100, almost there. Haven't tweeted since, let's see, 19 hours ago. As we draw closer, mint guide. And let's see the comments. Let's see, is people bullish or talking? Or you got spam box. You trick nobody. Withdraw a little liquidity pool. Easy. Let's effing go. It's kind of mixed signals. You don't know if it's spam bots or not with it. But to be completely honest, looking at VVS, personally, I wouldn't invest in VVS. I would literally probably invest in Spell out of the three. Tonic probably number 2. VVS is last. It looks like a dead project, man, and I don't see it recovering right here. Let me know in the comments what's y'all thoughts on it. So that's how I usually do like a quick video. Bull run or no? It's definitely a bull run right now. But let me run upstairs because my son just went to sleep. You have any questions, any suggestions on any videos, let a player know, because y'all know I release videos none freaking stop. And I will respond to most of all comments. But if you haven't signed up for Moomoo already, just click the link in the bio, get you 6 free stocks. If you're not signed up for the Patreon, all you have to do is click the link in the bio. No, it is not free because my time is not free. It costs you $20, but the goal is to give you 10 times more value than you're going to get every single month by knowing what I'm buying, selling, all that type of good stuff. Talk to you guys soon, and I'm out.